Hello guys and welcome again. Today I will show you a very effective way to clean your brake rotor or disc. This is our brake disc. This is also called a brake rotor. So if you keep this rotor clean, then it will result in a very effective braking and your brake will remain cool under the operations in heavy usage also. So the basic thing is to wipe your brake rotors also every time you wipe your motorcycle, every time you clean your motorcycle. The first and very easy thing that you can use to clean your rotor is a soap solution. Normal dishwashing solution or a hand soap or any liquid soap, you dissolve it in water and just clean it. That will do the job. But when there are when there is too much carbon deposit or brake dust or road carbon from the road on your rotor, then you have to rely on something like acetone, rubbing alcohol or paint thinner. All these things work very effectively. Don't ever use anything oil based on the rotor. Acetone, rubbing alcohol or paint thinner, these things would help in degreasing the rotor also. Degreasing means if you have accidentally sprayed some chain oil or chain lube onto your rotor, or some of your brake oil ends up on the rotor, then that acetone thinner or the cleaning alcohol would help degreasing the rotor and all the road dust and the carbon deposit. So today I am going to use a paint thinner. It's a normal paint thinner. You can use acetone also. Acetone is very easy to find in the market, or you can simply use cheap quality nail polish remover. Nail polish remover is basically acetone. Just pour some paint thinner onto the cloth. Just pour some onto this cloth and just simply rub this along the rotor. Do it on both the sides, inside and outside also. This will clean all the carbon deposit from your brake rotor, and this will also help you avoiding in wrapped rotors or wrapped disc brakes. Wrapped brake is when you have got uneven surface formation on your rotor due to dirt collection or carbon deposit or some stone dings, etc. Doing this regularly would also help you keeping a keen eye on your brake rotors. This way you can inspect the condition of your brake rotors and make sure that there is nothing foreign, there is no deep scratches or anything which is, there is nothing which can cause more damage to your rotor. If you find any uneven surface on your rotor, then you have to use sandpaper on it. Sandpaper can effectively even out the surface if the scratches are not very deep. Just do this on both the sides, inside and outside. See, this is the amount of carbon deposit or the black dust that I have cleaned from my rear rotor. This is from one rotor only. Now I've done this. Just do this thing once a month or twice a month, and be regular with wiping the rotors also. Now I'm going to do this on the front disc also. So now I'm going to do the same thing on my front rotor also. You can notice this black carbon lines on your rotor. If you inspect your disc brake carefully, this thing you have to clean. Cleaning this would help you in effective and noiseless braking, and you can also avoid wrapped disc brakes or wrapped rotor by doing regular cleaning. Just pour some thinner, acetone or alcohol, rubbing alcohol, cleaning alcohol. Cleaning alcohol is called isopropyl alcohol. This you can do on your disc brake of your bicycle also, or your scooter also, and on your motorcycle, all kind of disc brakes, and these things are safe. Just make sure if you are using paint thinner or acetone, Don't just spill anything on the painted surface. Just I've got this paint thinner handy at home, so I'm using this. Otherwise, I normally use acetone or isopropyl alcohol, but I'm out of both the things. So I'm using this paint thinner. Paint thinner is also safe to use. I've been using these things from many years now, and there is no harm using paint thinner on this rotor. This is a very effective way of decarbonizing your rotors. Just make sure to clean both the sides. If you see any deep scratches or minor scratches on your rotor that will need sanding up, then you have to use mild grade sandpaper to even out the surface of your disc rotor. But if you are always regular with the cleaning of the rotor, then you would avoid scratches on it. See, this is the amount of dirt I have cleaned. See, this is the amount of dirt I have cleaned from my front rotor, and this is the one from the back rotor. So now I will have effective and noiseless braking. I will make more videos on DIY soon, but I don't get much time nowadays. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you would find it helpful.